Welcome to Bullish Bear FX. Please make sure to subscribe and turn the bell so you'll be the first to get notified in our next video.
Hello and welcome to the Bullish Bear Academy. Today we are going to be looking at the forecast for the week on our Volatility 75 index. So please like, share and subscribe and on the notification button so you can get next videos as soon as it is posted. Thank you. Alright, so back into the Volatility 75 index, what do we expect? First of all, we need to observe and look at the market structure. We can see that we are, changing from a downward trend to an uptrend. How do we know that? Now, look, this is a high, this is a low. It formed a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. Then price couldn't break this point where price couldn't go any lower. Then what happened again? Price formed a new high which is higher than the previous high, breaking that point, the structure, forming a lower high, a lower higher low, then going rallying up to form a higher high. So we are in an uptrend. First of all, let us mark those points. Let's mark those points of interest. We have a point of resistance here where price couldn't go any further, and we also must observe that we have a drop base drop here, which formed a supply area. So let us also mark that this is the supply area. And if you look at it currently, price is finding it difficult to break that point, and that's why it is currently just consolidating. So what we expect is a continuous upward trend the if this supply area is broken to the upside. Then it continues to rally up, let's say to this point here, either this point, because you can see that it is there is a form of resistance here, or it is going to come up to this point here, which formed another supply area. When you look at this, you see that this is a rally base drop. This is a rally base drop, kind of the supply area. So our point of interest is, first of all, we are expecting price to break away from this supply area and continue in an uptrend, although it might consolidate in this area since there's a resistance currently there. Then coming straight up to this point, so it's going to rally up to this point. So based on the 4 hours time frame and a long time, we're expecting a uptrend currently on the 4 hours time frame. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Now the 1 hour time frame is also telling us the same thing, something similar. So what do we notice here? We notice that it is already forming. It was in a downtrend. This, please follow the arrow. This is a high, this is a low, forming a lower high, lower low, and you can see that it began consolidating, but before breaking up and forming a higher high, a lower high, and now going for a higher high. So as you can see here, that the price is trying to break away from this supply area that we marked from the 4 hour time frame. So we also expect that price will possibly break away from this supply area, then it will continue in an uptrend, or price is going to you know get rejected at this point and come down back to this point of resistance to test this point of support rather. So let's use something to mark it. So what we expect for the week is that it's either price goes break away from this point successfully. Of course it is going to retest, so it's going to retest maybe after forming another block, then it will continue its journey to this point. So that's what we expect for the week. Another scenario that could play out would be it could get rejected here. As you can see, it's already forming a double top. So it's either it could be it has formed a double top now. So it's either it get rejected and fall back to test this area here and possibly starts to range. It could start to range. So if price breaks if price breaks this supply area, we expect it continues to go up. If price couldn't break it, we expect it to continue ranging at this area. So that's the forecast for the week. Please make sure you confirm with the necessary candlestick pattern, or the way you confirm your trade, either through uh, indicators or from a candlestick pattern that you are familiar with. So that's all for today. So we are expecting a general trend from the 4 hours and the 1 hour time frame, but it all depends on the supply area that we have been given. So please drop any comment that you have, any suggestion you have, and please again like, share, and subscribe for you to have first-hand information whenever a new video is posted. Thank you and happy new year.